Alrighty, got a new video here. Got a couple updates. First off, I got a new steering rack. This is the old one. That's a manual rack from a, like the Mustang 2 hot rodder one. And then this is the NA front wheel drive, front wheel steering rack from a 3000 GT. So I'm going to go with a power rack now, and it's the proper width for the car. And then I also have created the engine mounts on both sides here with the braces. That took some tinkering, but I think they turned out pretty darn good. So I'm going to be pulling the engine out, and then I'll make the one more brace in the middle going from there to the frame, and then finish up all the welds and the subframe's done. Very, very exciting. And this is how I've been making them. Make them out of PVC pipe, and then I'll cut the metal and mock it up afterwards. So the metal is usually a one-cut deal, and it's perfect. So yeah, that's where it stands right now. Next video, the engine will be pulled, and hopefully we'll have the subframe all finished up except the mounts for the steering rack. There's a level. It's measured it in several places, and the engine's sitting 2 degrees down in the back. So it's perfect. Alrighty. See you next time.